Hello students, welcome to this session of your GK class. After a long time, we are going to discuss about the GK and the GK up to page number 25. Page number 25 we had already discussed about that. 20 page number 28, 25, yes. 25 we are discussed. So between that, some of the chapters we are already left it. So today we will discuss about that chapters. First of all, you open your page number 12. Page number 12 you open. We will discuss about the page number 12, chapter 10. Enrich your language. Enrich your language. First one. Only after the salesman had left with her gold bangles did Anu realize that she had been cheated. So, cheated to be changed by phrase or idioms. Or rewrite the sentence. It is the question. It is that replace the underlined words with the correct phrase or idioms and rewrite the sentence. So, he will write here, instead of cheated, you have to write one idioms or phrase. So instead of that you write down taken for a ride. Taken for a ride. First one, taken for a ride, and this one, the first answer, taken for a ride. Okay, then second one, Hiralal the politician is popular because he has the ability to speak fluently and confidently. So you have to change the ability to speak fluently and confidently. Instead of that, you will write one phrase or idioms. So you write down that one, gift of the gab. Gift of the gab. This is the right answer. Gift of the gab. Okay, and thereafter third one, when the police catch the thieves red-handed, two of them manage to escape, leaving the third to bear the unpleasant consequences. So you have to change the phrase here, to bear the unpleasant consequences. Instead of that, you have to write one idiom, items. So that one, to face the music. To face the music. This is the answer. To face the music. Then the next thing it is that while both, fourth number, while both her siblings were well placed, Canada remains the disreputable member of the family. Disreputable member of the family. So instead of disreputable member, you have to write one idiom or phrase, that is black sheep. Black sheep. Write down black sheep. This one, black sheep. Okay. Then next thing it is that one can easily tell when Rucha is upset. Rucha is upset and she cannot conceal her emotions. So you have to change cannot conceal her emotions. That one, instead of that, you have to write one phrase or idioms. So that one you write down, wears her heart on her sleeve. Wears her heart on her sleeves. Wears her heart on her sleeve. This one. Okay. Then next thing it is that the students cheered loudly when the teacher announced that a picnic to be amusement park was being planned. So being planned to be changed by idioms. So is to that one you write down, in the pipeline. In the pipeline. So this is the phrase you have to write for the 6, in the pipeline. So these are about this chapter, chapter 10, enrich your language. So thereafter, now chapter 11 you see, chapter 11, your fun teaser, fun teasers. Okay, chapter 11, fun teasers. So in the fun teaser, guess the answer. A truck driver went down on one way street the wrong way. There were two traffic police present, yet they did not find him. How come? He was answer is he was walking. Because he was walking, so that is why they did not find him. Okay, so you will write here he was walking. Thereafter, number 2, the brother-in-law of my mother's only brother is closely related to me. Who is he? Who is he? My father. Answer is my father. Okay. Then number 3. Two travelers were lost in the forest. One started walking towards the north and the other starts walking southwards. They meet after 20 minutes later. What's the explanation? So the answer is they were not together when they got lost. So they were not together when they got lost. That is the answer. Okay. Then question number 4. So question number 4. What question can you ask all through the day and yet receive different but correct answer every time? Okay. So what question can you ask all through the day and yet receive different but correct answers every time? So the answer is, what is time? What time is it? What time is it? Okay, what time is it? That is the question. The next thing it is that number 5. Cherish is challenged by his friend by a gymnasium. If he can make the treadmill run very fast without falling, I will pay you rupees 500, says his friend. Cherish is not very athletic, but he still finds a way to win the money. What does he do? So this is the answer. He simply stands by treadmill speed. Since he is not on the treadmill, he does not fall and wins the money. Once again, he simple stands by treadmill speed. Since he is not on the treadmill, he does not fall and wins the money. Okay, so this is the answer of 5th one. Then 6th one. In a football match, both teams scored 2 goals each. However, it is found that all the goals were shot into the same goal. How is it possible? So this one right answer is, the team scored their goal in different halves. The team scored their goal in different halves. They switched sides during the half time. They switched sides during the half time. So this is the right answer. Okay. So this is all about the fun teaser. Okay. So you will just write down in your book and properly you will read it. Thank you.